Why is my dishwasher making a grinding noise? I hate this.
It does not like washing off your caked-on leftovers any more than you do.
That would be grumbling, not grinding. I keep having flashbacks to grinding of death with a gaming console.
The grinding noise could be the death knell of a motor that swings the arms that spray water on your dishes.
Replacing a motor is expensive.
If you're lucky, it is just hard-dried peas, beans or some other thing down and around the motor, rubbing against it as it tries to spin.
I'm still going to pay someone else to take it apart to check.
Something lodged in the gears is a possibility. So is something stuck in the pump itself?
How could I tell where the lodged item would be?
Turn off the dishwasher, then take off the lower spray arm assemblies so you can see the motor, impellers and so forth.
I do not want to do that. There's a food disposer blade near the top of my assembly.
Then your grinding noise could be an item repeatedly striking the food disposer blade. And that tells me the grinding noise is not the kitchen garbage disposal kicking in to grind up food from the dishwasher.
No, but it may mean I need to run the kitchen garbage disposal more instead of tossing the dishes in and assuming the dishwasher could do the job.
The dishwasher has an impeller that moves water through the sprayer arms. There is the possibility that the noise is actually a broken impeller blade or warped blades hitting the sides.
What else could it be?
If the grinding is continuous along with the motor noise, the problem could be a worn-out set of motor bearings in the pump.
Now we're back to replacing the pump.
It could be the motor bearings, the wash impeller or the drain impeller, all of which can grind whether they are wearing out or something got stuck in them.
I just hate all these noises.
The problem could be the water valve not letting in enough water.
Valves are not that noisy. They cannot be.
If the dishwasher is running without enough water because the valve is not open long enough, the dishwasher could make a grinding noise with an extra squeal.
That is a death knell.
You could test this yourself by adding a quart of water to the dishwasher before running it, and seeing if the noise goes away.